SNAT lab. So we just discussed what is SNAT. We just discussed the concept. Now how we can do it. So we are creating the SNAT pool, creating SNAT list, and verification question answer. So this is the lab, and in the lab point of view, we will be doing the lab from our configuration in our workbook. So workbook point of view, you look at this SNAT list. This has already been provided with the SNAT. What we are going to do, we log into the. This is, as you can see, already example are given here. So we log into F5, and what happened here? That's a very simple configuration. Local address. As of now, the traffic is coming differently. So you can see local traffic. We go to the local traffic address translation, create a pool, and this is the pool we have already provided you here. Look at the SNAT pool for you. So 111 to 113. This is the pool from IP address 10.1.6. So this is the range where the server farm is, private internal range. Okay, 111 and 113. These are the range we have. So MAZ SNAT pool. Now if I configure that, so how we can use this after that? We are local traffic, and then we go to the SNAT list. So first of all, we are creating the SNAT pool list. We are creating a pool list, and then we go to the SNAT list. We create a SNAT list. We call the pool there, and finish it. And later on, we are going to test that. So as of now, if the I rule is, you can see the client. If the client IP, the request is coming from 201.65.100. See, but once we apply that SNAT, you will see the request will be coming from differently. So this is without SNAT. This is the request is coming from 201.65.100. F5 sees that request is coming from the external machine. This one. But once we apply the SNAT, the F5 thinks that request is coming from internal IP, and requesting that goes to the F5 side, not the default gateway. Let me configure the steps. Step 1. So SNAT address translation, go to the pool list. SNAT translation, go to the pool list. I'm creating a pool, and here I'm saying MAZ SNAT pool. IP address will be 10.1.61. Take it from here. Add, then 2 add, then 3 add. Okay, so that's the pool we have configured. Then we go to the SNAT list. So first we created a pool. This is the pool we have created. Then we go to the SNAT list, and we say MAZ SNAT pool. Okay, and we are selecting here IP address or pool. If we use one IP address, then of course there is no need for pool. This is the pool I have created. You will be creating your own pool, and then finish. Import. Okay, everything is as it is. So basically 2 steps, guys. First of all, create a pool. If you want to use one single IP address, you just need to create SNAT and make sure you just select the one IP address. Then you don't need a pool. Okay? Right. So that's the SNAT we have created. Now let's go to the our test machine and run this again. And select the client IP, and you can see 10.1.61 now. So before SNAT, the request was coming from 200. This IP, this IP. With the SNAT, the F5 is thinking the request is coming from this internal machine, and as a result, the F5 is sending the request back to the original, and that makes sure the communication is not broken. Okay? Any question? Thank you.